Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sizwe Nzima. I live in a small area called Elita Park, just across the bridge. I was born and bred in Kailicha. I currently run a business which is called Years Express. Let's get into detail. What is Years Express? It's a medication delivery service that collects chronic medication parcels from public facilities and public local clinics and delivers it at the patient's doorstep. How do we do this? We do this by using bicycles. First things first, it's a good way of transport because it's cost effective. We don't use petrol, it keeps us fit, and it's also environmentally friendly. So what we do is, in terms of our pricing, we charge 10 rand per delivery. Why? The hospital is always located within a 10-kilometer radius from the patient. So it makes sense for us to actually charge 10 rand because it's affordable. It actually costs us 7 rand per delivery. So we're making actually 3 rand profit. Currently now, we're sitting on 710 patients. Yes, this might not seem very viable, but this business is focused on mass customization. This is where you charge a very affordable fee, but if you drive the numbers up and you start doing 3,000, start doing 5,000, that's when the real numbers come in. If you look at one hospital, Michael Mapongwani Clinic, 5,500 people per month. And imagine, there's 3 hospitals and 6 clinics in Kailicha. I'm talking about Mfuleni, I'm talking about Inulungile, Kuyasa, Makaza. And guess what? That's almost about 22,000. Times that by 10 rand. That's 220,000 per month. Now, why am I here? I'm here to pitch because I needed 2,000 rand to do one thing, my IT installation. I believe my business is growing because soon I'm going to be moving out of the house place. And I need to do my IT installation so that the guys could start having our own operational place that we could use on. That's why I really need to be, get the 2,000. I employ 5 guys, 1 lady. We're a team that lives in Kailicha. The reason why I employ people in Kailicha is because they know the area very well. You take the guy in the corner, you think he's stupid. No, he actually knows every street and every corner in Kailicha. And that's why we're using people within the community. So this business benefits every community that we go to. We go to Guguletu, that we employ people in Guguletu. We employ youth. Unemployment is a big issue. But Years Express brings about that hope that young people who are not educated but have the ability to locate the township ways can actually do something with that knowledge. Thank you very much.
Okay, absolutely brilliant. I love it. I love that you're also wanting to involve the community. Very smart. I wanted to ask you, what is the end game for Years Express? That was called, right? Yes. Big dream for it. I want to know where it's going.
Okay. Big dream. It's to be the prime logistics company in the township. And the reason why I'm saying that is because mostly other products that are located, let's say clients that are located in town and in upper class areas tend to think that they can't do business in Kailicha. And guess what? What we're trying to say is we can actually do business in Kailicha. In fact, we can give you access to do business in Kailicha. We can give you direct access to a person that lives in the most informal settlements of Kailicha. Typical example one, we're working with a company called Fastway Couriers. It's a company that is based in New Zealand. What Fastway Couriers does is that they work with Avon and they deliver Avon products. And guess what? Fastway actually approached me because they couldn't locate the areas in Kailicha. And when I walked up to them, I just looked at the address and I said, well, I know this place, I know that, I know that. That's what I'm talking about. A big company that has an obligation to do, but they don't understand the area. And that's what Years Express is doing. It's connecting the Kailicha to the upper class area through distribution channels.
Yes.
How do you deal with e-weather conditions like in winter, using bicycles? When it comes to winter, how do you deal with that?
Okay, well, in terms of winter, it becomes very tough. It was tough now, but what we have all sorts of ranges of uniform. We've got the waterproof raincoat, which is all lime, if you see the lime coasters, and the lime, helmets. So it's lime, that's waterproof, but we've also got jerseys. But what we do, if the rain is so hard, normally we try and look at the timing of the rain. Okay, is it so hard when it's hard? I normally use my grandpa's car. But that happens once in a while. And normally when the rain is just drizzling, we wear waterproof raincoat. So we've got all sorts of uniform in terms of summer and winter uniform.
You're saying that you deliver medicine.
Yep.
I know that I think more than 70% of the people in Kailicha don't have medical aid. Where are you getting the medicine? Is it from the hospitals or is it private clients?
Okay. I'll try and explain it in detail, but cut it short. No, we get it at the public clinic. So first things first, the medication is free. It's free. When you go to a public clinic, it's free. But what we're trying to do is we're trying to cut out the long hours of waiting that you wait in the clinic. Everybody knows. If you visit a public hospital, you spend hours just to get your medication. So we get the medication from the clinic. The client is private because the client actually pays. It's not the hospital that pays us, but the Department of Health has an initiative that they want to do in terms of home deliveries. So we in talks with them, with Provincial Pharmacy Council. So I'm in talks with them in terms of rolling that out within the Western Cape. But we get the medication from the clinic, and the client actually has the obligation to pay for the service because the client contracts us. So the hospital just provides us with the medication, but the agreement is between me, as expressed, and the client.